Wat Khanon is a Buddhist temple in Bangkok, Thailand. Nang Yai is the Nang Yai troupe with the most movie characters and the most attractive members. About 170 years ago, พระครูสัทธาสุนทร หลวงปู่กล่อม the former abbot of Wat Khanon was born. There are more than 300 Nang Yai in total. The temple takes pride in having a movie of the exhibition Shadow Figures teachers and music professors. Until now, these teachers have devoted their lives to teaching the art of Nang Yai. Wat Khanon Committee has built a new Nang Yai project to replace the old Nang Yai, and a museum building project on the temple grounds to preserve existing Nang Yai, thanks to Mahajakri Sirinthorn's royal initiative. The Princess Mahajakri Sirinthorn received donations to build a Nang Yai at the cost of 9,999 baht per individual. Silpakon University, Ratchaburi Province, and Wat Khanon are all involved in this Wat Khanon News Nang Yai project. The company's director of all Nang Yai preparation, totaling around 3 million baht in gifts, is the Silpakon University. Silpakon University. Silpakon University is the corporation that manages all Nang Yai under the Department of Applied Arts Supervision. Assistant Professor Son Simatrang is the head of mechanics at the Faculty of Decorative Arts, and he oversees all projects, including ordering raw film from the organization, sourcing students for projects, managing project budgets, and more. Because making Nang Yai, especially in the process of filmmaking and pruning the film, would necessitate specialists demonstrating and suggesting methods for students to follow. Ratchaburi Province. Coordinate with Wat Khanon and Silpakon University to organize funding meetings for the project and others which are in responsibility of the governor and the provincial committee. Wat Khanon. By cooperating with the province, Wat Khanon is principally responsible for the introduction of Nang Yai to fund the project. Each time a major film is released, the temple must oversee the supply of the performers, the musicians, rehearsals, movie preparation, transportation, and so on. The edges of Pakhu Sangha Bariban, abbot of Wat Khanon, and Panushit Washirawutto, พระครูพิทักษ์ศิลปาคม the current abbot of Wat Khanon.